Hey guys, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'll show you how to save Instagram photos and videos directly to your gallery using the updated 2025 method. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and you'll land on the home page. Tap on the little profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down until you find Data Usage and Media Quality. Open this option, and the first thing you'll want to do is ensure that media upload quality is set to high. If it's not already checked, tap to enable it. Now, go back to the previous menu and look for the Archive and Downloading option. Open it and make sure to turn on the setting for Save Original Photos. This ensures that all photos and videos you upload or interact with are saved directly to your gallery. And that's it. With these two simple settings, your Instagram photos and videos will automatically be saved in your gallery. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to HowToHub for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!